Okay, here we are, our third class in Pythagorean music. Today we're going to explore the interval of the fourth. This interval also uses the rhythm 4 in relation to the 3. It's actually the same as a 2 to 3, but it's doubled and then it's inverted. So we have the relationship of 4 to 3 in order to find this note. And so what we're going to do is move our bridge to find that note. Here we have 3 parts to 2, remember, so we have to move a little bit to the right. We're going to actually be dividing the string in 7 parts. We have to listen to that interval. The way that I remember this interval is that it plays the song "Here Comes the Bride." Dum 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 dum. There it is. I got lucky. In case you don't get lucky, let's show what's the process of looking for a note. That's not the song I'm looking for. It's lovely, but it's not the right song. Little by little. Sometimes you can pass it as well. So, back again. There it is. Sometimes it takes a little bit of looking, and that's what the first part of the Pythagorean training is very important. We're really learning to tune ourselves. Find harmony, find these points exactly, is tuning our understanding of the natural harmony in the universe. So it's a very important meditation to take your time with this tuning. Some who are musicians, some have immediate talent to hear these intervals, and others need to spend a few hours. But everybody can gain this with a little bit of help from a music teacher also, if you have that capability, or you can study music in the internet. You can learn to hear the interval of a fourth on a piano or another instrument. This interval of the fourth is very similar to the fifth, but it is the undertones instead of the overtones that are important. So let's move on and find another form of the 4 to 3 interval. This is going to be doubling, multiplying by 2, that fraction. We have an 8 to 3. And to find the 8 to 3, we need to imagine the string in 11 different parts, but it's very easy if we're on the 5th, for instance, like the last lesson. All we need to do is move back a little bit and we'll get the interval of a fourth. So approximately it should be here. There it is. It's the same song. Here comes the bride. Okay, now what we're going to do is tune up our harp completely, and I'll untune it again just to make sure we find something new. Very nice right there. Here I don't like, so we'll keep on looking. This is the intuitive part of the playing. Now here we have a phenomenon of creating the same note right next to each other, so I'm thinking of changing that. An important thing before we go further is always checking the tension of your strings. If it's very tight, you don't want to keep on exploring higher and higher because you can break a string. So always be careful, check the tension. Obviously this string is tensor to this one. If Actually, this is an octave. Well, we might leave it there. Okay. So there we have the 4 to 3 tuning. we're going to start our technical part of this class with learning a new rhythm. It's a rhythm I picked up in Mexico from the teponazli, and we've heard this rhythm in Brazil, in Cuba, in Africa. Also, it's a very common rhythm, and it works very nicely for this harp. And the actual sticking of the rhythm, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, left. Right, right, left, right, right, left, right, left. This should be practiced quite a bit on one string. And for percussionists who already can get this very quickly, they can go on ahead to the next part, which is speeding up the rhythm and performing it on all 4 strings. Also, we can explore a little bit with this rhythm